Hello, in this video we're going to talk about the radioactive risks. The effect of radiation on living cells depends on the type and amount of radiation received, which is termed as the dose, whether the source of radiation is inside or outside the body, and how long the living cells are exposed to the radiation. Inside the body, alpha sources are most harmful. Such sources tend to accumulate in body organs, causing a high degree of local ionization. Regarding the beta and gamma sources, cause fewer problems if ingested, as much of the radiation passes straight out of the body. However, outside the body, an alpha source poses least danger, as alpha radiation cannot pass through the surface layers of skin. However, the beta and gamma radiation present greater danger since both can penetrate more deeply into the body. The extent of the harmful effects produced will depend upon the nature of the radiation and the total dose received. The bigger the dose of radiation someone gets, the higher the risk of cancer. High doses kill living cells. However, smaller doses pose less risk, but the risk is never zero. There is a very low level of risk to every person because of background radiation. That's all. Thanks for watching.